Hello and welcome to Abhit Shiksha. In today's video, let us perform a simple and fun activity using balloons. For this activity, we will need balloons and some pins. First, we secure a pin with its pointed tip facing upwards and bring a blown balloon near its tip. As expected, the balloon bursts. For the second try, let us fix 20 to 25 pins in a board and repeat the activity. What do you think? Will the balloon burst this time? Surprisingly, the balloon is unharmed. Even though we push the balloon on top of the bed of pins, the balloon is still intact. Why and how is this possible? When we use only one pin, the entire pressure is applied on a small area of the balloon. Hence it stretches and pops. And when we press the balloon on many pins, the pressure does not get concentrated on a single point, but is distributed over a large area. This difference in pressure leads to the difference in observation in the two tries. But this does not make the balloon immune to sharp edges. Under extreme pressure, it is sure to burst. For more such interesting videos, press the like button, share with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to Abhit Shiksha.